It's YouTube Wednesday!
Are you doing this to create a little bit of shadow?
Yeah. I'm pushing the background back a little bit further and doing a breakout pattern so it's not flat. So I do my breakout pattern in black. I grab the cans that Noah grabbed and have like a quarter left.
Yeah. I like to do that too.
this is the finished mural. It's just a walk-by piece. Actually, and the guests don't ever walk straight at it. The guests come in here, they walk along that wall. So it's not as important for depth as something like over here, which are actually moving gears. Like this needs more depth because they're walking towards it. Something that they walk by doesn't have to be as strong. It just has to not look out of place. And that is in this room here at Dark Hour Haunted House. And you kind of come through, and there's a Dark Hour prophet up here on this pedestal, but that's this room. Okay, and that's the mural. Go make stuff!